Dragoș, and this is Insider. After working for 2 years as an AR/VR developer, and after trying to build a community of AR/VR here in Iași, I realized the augmented reality to become useful, we have to have persistence and localization. That's why Insider's mission is to bring location-based experiences to devices of customers. Let's look at a generic example. Let's say you buy some hand tools from a hardware store. You already have your shopping list, you know exactly what you want to buy, and you also, and the store actually knows where every product is. Even though all this information is up there, usually a trip at the store looks like this, and it's really tiring. However, we should be able to do it like this, to have a perfect short walk to the store. And if we have this, we can actually give location-based recommendations. We can actually analyze the traffic, reduce queues, reduce confusion, and overall, everyone will be happier. However, we cannot do that because you cannot have good GPS signals indoors, and also the maps are not reliable. Here comes Insider. Insider lets you persistently locate yourself indoors using some computer vision solutions in a pre-scanned area. You just open your camera, you scan around for like a couple of seconds, and then you know where you are, and you can use it in AR mode or in a GPS-like manner. We know many industries where this will be really useful. We have actually interacted with a few who have validated our idea. And once you answer the question of where, you can start answering to new questions like doing ERP integration, asset tracking, location gamification, virtual exhibits, persistent AR, and many more things. There are of course competition. Some people do it with QR codes, with beacons, but this is kind of hard to manage. And there are also more expensive stuff like doing it on a mixed reality headset, but that's not convenient for the customer. That's why we're at this sweet spot between convenience and affordability. Business model is going to be subscription since it's an SDK. What we have right now, we have an algorithm that goes with 30 to 50 centimeters exactly in an ideal situation, over which we have an SDK that works on Unity and on Android native, and also a dashboard where you can manage your maps and the traffic and analytics and so on. Everything is powered through the real-life data we got thanks to Technotrade and Metro, who allowed us to scan their places. This month we're working to have our first paid gig, which is going to be an art exhibit with Andy Warhol's 60s theme, and it's going to be pretty cool, I guess. And it's also kind of, yeah. And next month we're going to focus on having enough stability to have a closed beta, and to also keep talking with industry people to understand even better their problems. Yeah. The team, I talked about myself at the beginning. There's also Christy, who works as who's pursuing a PhD in machine learning and have this algorithm be more robust and more efficient. And yeah, if you are interested in AR, or you think your business would have more value if we would have location persistence, let's discuss after this at networking. Thank you very much.
Please hand me the, with Dragoș's permission, I will use the 1 minute that he hasn't in inviting you, and you inviting all the people that are outside the door. Let's have a short mob, flash mob, in inviting all the people inside to see how we can fit you all in this room. Let's see who has a chair which is not occupied next to him. Okay, who has a chair should keep his hands or her hand up until people are sitting down. And I can also remove some of the chairs here and hand you there. I will need somebody. Thank you for making this possible, meaning that we've overcrowded this room. Thank you again. I will definitely want to have another round of applause for that. But Dragos, you can also help me. Yeah. Stay over there. Okay. Cool. Yeah. We will cut this at the editing. Thank you for joining Demo Yash. I've removed that. Okay. Let me remember you that you can also help Dragos and the Inside AR team with an evaluation right now, real time, that he will receive from us, aside from the jury members' feedback and the jury members' evaluation that they will take at the end of all sessions separately. So, question and answer session begins now, and I hand the mic to for the next 5 minutes. Thank you.
So, does your solution fit for companies that have to pack various type of products in order to dispatch them based on, some orders?
Yes. So we actually worked a similar project before when I used to be a developer on AR/VR, and this kind of problems arose. But yeah, without localization, it's really hard to do. So yeah, I think Insider would be a good fit on tracking what happens inside the building.
I mean, a loading machine to navigate through a big warehouse with
Yeah, but for tracking actual packages, it's easier with QR codes or an image.
Okay, thank you.
Next one. Have a fast pace. 4 minutes left.
Can you develop a little bit what step you took already validated the business model?
Yeah, we have talked to the AR team at Metro Systems. We started talking with Oshan, who is just beginning talking with them. We have this project, which is our first paid project, it's more artsy and less useful, but it still shows that it has power. And yeah, it was the fact that I worked for 2 years on that and I couldn't put my hand on this solution. Also, other companies work through this, but yeah, everything is really closed and not open source, and it's difficult to use it also.
Yeah, what is your strongest argument when you sell a solution to a retailer? What gets the sale done? Strongest argument.
Many times they have thought about this already, but they couldn't find a solution, so it's not really a selling. But yeah, it brings much value because it's really a friendly way to do stuff. Because we are already used to going on the street and search for stuff, and we want to query more stuff, ask for more stuff. And indoors we cannot do this, and it's frustrating.
Yeah, many retailers switch the places of their products and hope that the client will wander more in the store to buy more, So what is your argument for this?
So you're really correct. But places like Metro or things that target HoReCa or even hardware stores, they don't want that because people do this for business. So they want to come in, buy as much as they can and leave. They don't want to frustrate their customer. It's not like, yeah, for supermarkets it's possible, but we have to think a way to rescan really fast actually.
Okay, so saving time means more customers for them.
Yeah, and one argument actually is, okay, you want people to see random stuff, but don't you want him more to, if you know what the person buys, even though it's not, even if it's anonymized, you can actually do location-based recommendation, shopping list-based recommendation, and that's even more powerful. And you don't have to take any data, and it's also not GDPR problematic.
Thank you.
What have you done in terms of evaluating the user experience when I'm looking at it from the point of view of the person who has to go with the phone?
Yeah, so first of all, we don't want you to look to the phone every time because you can do accidents. We want you to look around, know what you want to see, and put it down. Best case, have a 2D map. It's people at the first is cool, but people don't want to walk like this because they would bump into stuff. And yeah, we tried it a lot, and then on the phone, it's still tricky because, of course, we all think about the glasses where you see everything, but we're not there yet.
And with how many people did you try this? How many different people you had go around this problem?
I would say it's the simple experience from all the AR projects I have worked on in the last years, because it's the same experience. You put the phone in your face. Yeah.
I'm referring to validating that people really want to do this. You don't find it annoying.
Oh. Do the which part?
Use it.
So our client is basically the developer. It's not the final customer, because we want to plug it on whatever use case you have. So it's hard to find the user persona to try it. We just know AR apps work right now and they're really useful. And we know people use all kinds of AR apps. It's, yeah.
How much money do you want to raise in this one?
Can you repeat this?
How much money do you want to raise in this one?
So it's a really tough question, because I'm thinking if I could sell enough, I could have the money without selling parts of my company. But I would love to raise money at least for hiring a few people and working 1 year or so on just on research, and without being worried about we have to sell it. Yeah.
Good. Thanks.
I have a question. If you want to help me, because the timer is on my wrist and I'm feeling when 5 minutes are off, as now, but I will ask you to clap along with me whenever you see me doing this. Is it okay? It's a question I have for you, if it's okay. And the ask goes like, let's clap because it's done.